Currently, I'm involved with the in-depth understanding of the waste management projects and doing innovations in the systems development and recycling modalities with the ultimate objective of zero waste. I'm based in India. In Delhi, we do not have a hazardous waste treatment site for various regions. We have good biomedical waste facilities, 3 or 4 of them. And on the municipal solid waste management, we have worked differently. We worked out in the public-private partnership arrangements for the waste collection, including the rag picker rehabilitations. We found that without harming the community involved and the local and individual, as well as the NGOs, as well as the societies, as well as the rag pickers trade unions, the work of waste collection from household is doing well. The waste pickers from the roads who make living out of the waste picking from the roads are also one way or the other being rehabilitated in various forms and being involved with a couple of NGOs to come out with to have a better life. We had 3 or 4 waste dumps where we keep dumping the waste and storing, and we have made the waste hills. The important is now we have one waste to energy plant functioning for almost a year. Another 2 waste to energy plants are in the offing. They are in the preparation stage, they are in the construction stage. So we'll be able to handle the 70 to 80% of the waste processing by this. This is what we are doing in Delhi.
Okay.
Well, waste management is a global problem and not only in India, but we have to evolve to meet these challenges, and our 4-decade-long experiences backed with the superior technology understanding has to give some kind of a permanent system evolution. We have to develop the civic sense, the whole of the humanity, including the people in India, to be responsible for this. Do not litter, pick up the waste and do it, process it in a way that is not harmful to nature. Total recycling waste with the basic objective of zero waste.